This is going better than I thought. Should I try it better? Stop being a wussy, Aaron. Today, I'm gonna challenge myself to do a backside 180 kickflip in all stances. That means regular backside 180 flip, switch backside 180 flip, nollie, and half cab. I hope this doesn't just crush me. So I'm also gonna guess at which one's easiest to the hardest. So I'm gonna guess that it's easiest for me to do backside 180 flip, then fakie, then nollie, then switch. We're gonna end with the switch. And I hope this doesn't take me 9 hours, please. I feel like I should do a warm up because I'm getting way too old for this. Guys, I'm turned 42. Oh, even that was bad. My back hurts already. Give me a chiropractor. No pun intended. Kickflip. Kickflip is like the one trick that I feel like I just will never lose. So backside flip, first try. I hope I got it. Dang, I keep doing that as well. Like I flip the board too fast and I put my foot down and I miss it. I need to actually, like where I have my good backside flips is like pop it, flick, 90 degrees catch, then turn. I mean, not the best, not the smoothest. We'll run it back. Boy, I tell you what, I'll take that, I'll take that. Okay, another thing that I want to point out that I kind of like is I kind of like a little wheel drag. You hear at the end of that, there's a little, honestly, I kind of prefer the way that looks, feels, and everything. Okay, so next one, fakie. For those of you who are just getting started in skateboarding, for me, putting my right foot forward is my normal stance. So fakie, we'll be going that way, off the tail, like this way. And I'm gonna do the same direction. So backside flip is this direction. So that fakie will be this direction. Same direction, you get the idea. For those of you who are also just starting out skateboarding, this is called a half cab flip. Based on the trick from Steve Caballero, where he did a cab or caballerial, which is a fakie 360 this way. And so if we say half cab, we mean half of the 360, which is the 180. So actually I should warm up. I'll show you the tricks. Half cab. Half cab flip would be a combination of fakie flip and the half cab 180 right there. So I'll do the fakie flip also. Fakie flip. Why is kickflip just the easiest for me? I did it. I'm not super happy with it, but I did it. Again, so weird. I'm doing like a pseudo pop where like I don't hit the tail on the ground and I just kind of like make it flick and it feels weird. But for all intents and purposes, I did land it. Should I try it better? I at least heard the tail pop. I will take that. This is going better than I thought. I thought at least those were gonna take me 20 tries each and they didn't. I guess I'm not that washed out and cooked in unk status after all. Okay, so now the next one that I decided would be easiest is nollie. So I'm gonna start out with a nollie 180, then a nollie flip. I won't make the mistake of going straight to the trick. Okay, nollie 180. I should explain this for the beginner skaters. My right foot is forward, that's regular. Now, I'm used to popping with this foot. And if I move my foot forward this way, that's nollie. But notice, the foot that I pop with just changed. This is the equivalent of you always write with your right hand. Now you're gonna write with your left hand. Nollie and switch are way harder. So now I'm gonna nollie. Okay, so we're gonna have to do nollie 180, nollie flip, and then combine it, nollie 180 flip. I love nollie 180s. I also love nollie flips, actually. Nollie 180 check, nollie flip check, nollie 180 flip, let's go. I popped it, I flicked it. I looked down, and it was the most beautiful spin right underneath my feet. And all I needed to do was land. And you know what? I didn't freaking put my feet on. That's frustrating. And I could have had it first try too. Okay, now I'm in overthink land. I'm going back to nollie flip to not overthink. I can't be landing no gross nollie flips like that though. That sucked. I kind of want to do it a little bit like this. I don't mind a pivot. Like I said, I don't mind no pivot. Dude, I'm right there. Stop being a wussy, Aaron. Nollie 180 flip, check. That actually worked a lot better than I thought. That felt pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm proud of myself for landing that. Now, this is the one that I know is gonna really make me struggle. I shouldn't say that, you know? What you say becomes true. I'm gonna have a very easy time of the backside 180 flip, switch, backside 180 flip. It's no problem. Knock on wood, because I'm not superstitious. Okay, we're gonna start out with switch backside 180 and then switch flip. Both of those tricks are not my good tricks, not good at all. So combining them, double not good. I mean, I guess first I should literally switch ollie. Switch push for that matter. Okay, switch backside 180. Wow, is that garbage. Thank you. Thank you very much. Mongo push. Okay, now switch flip. Do I got a switch flip first try? Better than I thought? Better than expected? Okay, it's interesting because regular kick flip is easier than fakie. Nollie flip though is easier than switch, I swear. Because, this is my theory anyways, because you're rolling in the stance that you normally ride. You normally ride that way. I don't normally ride that way. So to go switch flip is totally opposite. I'm right-handed, I write with my right hand. Don't tell me to write my name with my left hand, it's too hard. I'm dreading this so hard. I'm already giving up before I even tried, literally. That is the exact opposite of what you need to do in skateboarding. You need to believe in yourself. Okay, switch, backside flip. You got this, Aaron, you got this. I can't, I literally can't even make myself attempt it. Okay, right here, I'm landing it, first try, that's it. Boy, do I wish that counted, but it does not. 90 flip. Wow! I saw my whole life flash before my eyes. I thought the skateboard was gonna fling up right in my face, hit my nose, break it, go nose bumps into the brain, kill me. Just kidding, that was way too graphic. Let's play. Skate, dot. Okay, let's go backside flip, switch. How many times am I gonna land a really lame one before I land one? Current check, twice. Wow, woo! Okay, let's go. Switch backside flip right here. Derek? Was that it? Yeah. Did we count that?
Yeah.
I mean, I felt like that was pretty good. You know what they say, two to make it true. Bro, I'm getting this down. That guy's got a Devo helmet, sick. Devo, Devo. I didn't like that one as much, but dude, I'm starting to feel it. I'm getting better with this. I'm getting the pop, I'm getting the flick, I'm getting the catch. I'm not landing hard enough on my front and pivoting like I should to make it nice and smooth. I just need one of those. Wow, bro, wow. I wonder if I could switch backside double flip. Don't get me started. Come on, boy. Man, are you exhausted? Yeah, that makes one of us. I'm not at all. This is a perfect example of you had it, you went for two to make it true. 37 million tries later, you still haven't landed it again. Sheesh. You got a trick? This is your sign to start skating again.
Yeah, I can get a picture with you.
Yeah.
Wait, I used to watch all your tutorials.
Oh yeah, thanks.
That's cool.
We're making another one right now.
Nice.
Yeah, good meeting you too, have fun. Okay, right here. Maybe with a little bit less at the end would be great. I'm so like into landing hard on my right foot that I cannot seem to grasp mentally landing on the left foot to pivot. And I need to do that. Now I'm doing the exact same thing I was doing on my regular one, where my flick foot is going too low. I gotta keep it up. One thing that's really good and helpful, I'll tell you guys, film yourself doing your tricks so you can later analyze what you're doing. Okay, I got this right here for every single one of you that's working on any trick, no matter what it is. This is for you. There, does that count? It's better, but I don't think quite counts. I know what I need to practice. That's what I need. See, I broke my left foot really bad right here. 2 screws. So I sort of like trained myself out of not landing hard on that foot. But in order to do this trick smooth, I gotta land hard on that foot. It's mind over matter. Nothing's bad's gonna happen. I'm not gonna get injured on this switch backside flip. I'm gonna land it right here. I kind of like that, to be honest. I'm giving it 3 more tries. Whether I get it or not, I kind of like that one. Wow, close guy, close. Right here, I'm gonna do it so good. I'm gonna take it, okay? Okay? Was it the best one I ever did or ever could do? No. But do I like it? Yes. Is skateboarding meant to be fun? Absolutely. Okay, I'm making these videos for you, to help you learn something new and hopefully progress on your own skateboard. You guys can take these videos in this video format, film your own versions, get out there and have an absolute blast. I cannot wait to see what you come up with. We'll see you in the next video.